on in. So this is our home for the next couple nights. So I'll just give you a little tour. This is our little area for ice, some glasses, a really cool coffee machine with the pods. It's a bunch of different flavors. I don't know which one this is, but I'm sure they're all good. Some tea, some cool Nespresso cups, and down here is a little bit of storage and the fridge with all the stuff we need. And there's a little powder room here, which nothing special. It's pretty nice. And don't mind them. They're kind of busy right now. The couch. It's actually a nice view over here. There's a view of the courtyard down here. You can see that. I think some people are getting married this weekend. Pretty cool. And this little desk area with the phone and this is a shoehorn and sewing kit and shoe polish. And it's the TV with some shelving here for the clothes. And this is the master bedroom. So it's pretty nice. It's got a lot of space. Closet here. We've unpacked. It's all of our stuff here. It's got a lot of room. Got 4 suitcases here. And so 2 nightstands, comfy chair, air conditioning, all of our laptops. You know, the ceiling fan, I didn't realize that. And this is pretty nice, big decoration. And this is the bathroom. The bathroom's pretty big. It's a big, giant bathroom. Separate shower, which looks pretty good. And oh, I didn't realize there's 2 showers. You know what? I didn't notice that. Okay, cool. So 2 showers. And separate, what do you call this? A water closet? Yeah, separate water closet. And really good product. This stuff, Asprey. Stuff is really good. Smells good. Really good stuff. And that is about it.